Whether it is in the field of agriculture, security, or delivery, the use of drones became essential. Fast, capable of reaching areas difficult to access. They became your new allies, facilitating and increasing your productivity. But did you think of subscribing to an insurance? Have you taken a look at the legislation? Do you have the right tools to refer to and analyze the data you need? Processes for using drones are complex. They take time and require preparation. But sometimes, we just don't have the time to set up the whole thing. It is from this need that arose our project, Soarizon. Using a drone will never be a problem anymore. A full service capable of providing you with the most advanced tools to simplify the end-to-end process, align needs of the company with those of operators and pilots, through a unique digital platform enabling businesses to gain autonomy in managing the entire process. You need a drone? Just say so.